Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great morning so far. I think most of us are, because the markets are doing quite good. Now, obviously, the market is not everything, but still, it's always nice to wake up to a green market and to a lot of price alerts. But in this video, we'll talk about Solana. All right, we need to talk about Solana. I want to keep you updated on this at all times, of course. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full update on Solana here. Purely technically, if we zoom out a little bit more here, while I look for the fundamentals as well to look at a little bit later. But no, if you zoom out here, we are turning slightly more bullish, all right? Which is logical. That's quite obvious. I mean, Bitcoin here is quite bullish. Bitcoin has broken out a significant level here between 62,000 and 61,000. It is still the question whether Bitcoin is going to be able to hold that level over the course of today. I mean, after the FOMC, which we had yesterday evening, of course, prices are usually very volatile. So that also means that this could be some sort of a fake out. But if we look at Solana right now, it looks good, all right? It's the market structure on the higher time frames looks like we are at least, holding this area right here on top of 120. Which was a very strong support level historically, so we also expected that we would get at least some sort of a bullish move from this. That's what I said basically throughout the entire time that we hit that level. But actually being able to form some sort of a consolidation here is a bullish confirmation, right? Because then, in my opinion at least, especially in these market circumstances, it becomes less likely that we'll still have some sort of a pullback into 115 or potentially even lower. So overall, I'm mildly bullish on Solana here. However, what I do want to say, and that's also what I've said for the entire time that Solana has been down here, like what you need with Solana is you need outperformance, right? So you need Solana to perform better against Bitcoin. And at this point of time, that's just not true. All right, you can see if we go to the 12-hour time frame here, you can see Bitcoin against Solana Solana against Bitcoin, has been massively bearish, big downtrend. Now, if this breaks, then Solana gets very interesting, and then all of a sudden we can get some big moves up. All right, so at this point of time, and as long as this stays bearish, technically, which it is still at this point of time, but I'll keep you updated on that as well, so don't worry too much, all right, if you cannot follow that. But the moment that breaks, I think Solana gets interesting. So I think in general, if we look at this structure, it already looks most likely that we have bottomed out here. So that it's most likely we'll be going into the 140s and potentially into the 150s. But this into the 150s move, I think is only possible if Solana starts to break out against Bitcoin. All right. Otherwise, there's just so much resistance between 145 and 142 that I think Solana is strong enough to get there, right? So that's already bullish. But I don't think Solana is strong enough to really break above that and to reach those big levels here into the 150s, 155, 160, and potentially later 180. You really need Solana to outperform then. And if we look at the fundamentals here, it's not looking too great. DEX volume is still quite low here. Total value locked is also still quite low here. So will this break out eventually? Yes. Do I expect it to stay bearish for now? Yes. All right. So I'm slightly bullish on Solana, but I'm not expecting a major pump yet. All right. Those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.